guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Legian area on Basangkasa Street, Raya Seminyak Street and Raya Legian Street. So if you want to know how the situation like that at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Legian area. And our journey today start from Basangkasa Street. So, our journey today start from the north side on Basangkasa Street until to the south part of Legian on Raya Legian Street. Okay guys, let's see together how busy today Legian area. If you see the weather today, it is so beautiful, isn't it? So clear, so blue sky. Yeah, we hope together we will find something to walk around on the sidewalk today, because actually now it's too hard to be outside. But we will see together how busy today in Legian area. Okay, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and also they want to know the other situation at the moment in Legian area. Okay, from Basangkasa Street, now we continue driving on Raya Seminyak Street. We just passing Angel Restaurant, Indian cuisine, very nice. Also left side, there is Warung Made, also very famous. And at the front Warung Made, there is Indian restaurant we call Kailas Balbart, also very famous. Okay guys, let's continue driving on Raya Seminyak Street and let's see together how busy today on Raya Seminyak Street. Yeah, you see left side at the front? Yeah, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. And now it's like traffic jam, isn't it? That's just really good. I mean like, it's good because when the traffic jam is happening, it means like there is a lot of tourists come to Bali now. That's what we hope to. Okay, you see left side at the front? Yeah, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. They are doing shopping in this area. Because as we know together, this area is very famous for the shopping area on Basangkasa Street, Raya Seminyak Street and also Raya Legian Street. Left side, there is a nice restaurant and recommended. Actually, I just gonna say like, this is new restaurant. Long time ago before they changed, this restaurant we call Ocha, but now they changed the name. Okay, if I turn right there at the front, there is the way to go to Seminyak Beach. Now we continue driving and let's see together how busy today. You see left side? Yeah, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. Quite busy, isn't it? That's just really good. And also, if you see together, right side and left side, there is more shops are open in this area. Yeah, but today is not so busy. Maybe they are just stay in the hotel because now it's too hard to be outside the door. Or maybe they are going to the beach because the weather today it is so good, so beautiful. Yeah, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk and some of them they are doing shopping there. You see the big building right side? There is new Bintang Mart. New building for Bintang Mart. Looks so busy down there too. There is so many cars and motorbike parking there. That's just really good. I think if you are ever been stay in this area, I mean like in Legian, so you will know about Bintang Supermarket because this is very famous. Actually, so far in this area, we see so many tourists walk around on the sidewalk. But I'm so sorry because I'm driving so fast today. Because we will explore complete video in Legian area. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Raya Seminyak Street. And now we will continue driving on Raya Legian Street. Again, on this video, I make video around 13 minutes without skip. Start from the north part of Legian until to the south part of Legian. So, our journey today from Basangkasa Street, then continue to drive in on Raya Seminyak Street and then Raya Legian Street. Yeah, now we are on Raya Legian Street. Okay guys, let's see together how busy today on Raya Legian Street. I hope this video will give you information about the update situation at the moment in Legian area, or maybe you ever been this area around this time, so you can writing down the comment about your experience during your stay in Legian, or maybe you already passed this area in this week, so you can share your experience about Seminyak Bali, because this channel also sharing information each other. Okay, let's continue driving on Raya Legian Street. Okay guys, make sure watching the video until the end, because we are also driving past the ground zero, the central of Seminyak Street. I'm so sorry for today this video, because I make video is like long driving, start from Basangkasa Street until Raya Legian Street. So actually it's gonna take like around 15-minute driving. So that's why I drive a little bit fast. You see right side at the front? Yeah, there is few tourists walk around on the sidewalk. Also left side. That's just really good. Yeah, it is quite busy, isn't it? Yeah, start from here, there is more tourists walk around on the sidewalk. And as I told you on this video, I make video until the end of the Raya Legian Street. And also we will drive in past the heart of Raya Legian Street on ground zero. Yeah, so far in this area, there is more tourists walk around on the sidewalk. And also there is more shops are open in this area too. That's just really good. I turn right at the front, there's the way to go to Padma area on Padma Street and then Padma Utara Street. Yeah, but now we continue driving on Raya Legian Street until the end, as I told you. You see this area? It's more busier, isn't it? There is more car and motorbike driver in this area. They're just really good. Yeah, you see the shop right side? There is more shops are open, and also in the left side. Finally, Raya Legian Street is more shops are open. That's just really good, because as I told you, Raya Legian Street is very famous for the shopping area. So that's why if the shops are open, it means like step by step in this area will be getting better. Some shops still closed, but more shops are open on Raya Legian Street. You see the front right side? Yeah, there is some tourists doing shopping there. That's just really good. And also the shop, they are open. Because few months ago, around 2 months ago, in this area, there's a lot of shops still closed. But now, more shops are open, and also some shops they are preparing to reopen their shop. Okay, if I turn right at the front, there's two ways to go to Kuta Beach, but it's only one way. We cannot turn right. But now I will keep straight on Raya Legian Street. And I'm gonna say sorry. Actually, this way is like one way for the car and for motorbike, but since the pandemic in this area is to be like two-way for motorbike, because Bali is not traffic jam yet. Okay, now we reach the central of Raya Legian Street. Let's see together how busy today on Raya Legian Street. Yeah, so far it looks so busy in this area, isn't it? There is more car and motorbike traffic in this area. And also we see together on the video there is more tourists doing shopping and walk around on the sidewalk. You see the front right side? Yeah, there is some tourists doing shopping there. And also some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. That's just really good. Step by step in this area is getting better. There is more tourists walk around on the sidewalk, and also there is more shops are open in this area. See right side? Yeah, another tourist walk around on the sidewalk. Okay guys, enjoy the video until the end if you want to really know the update session at the moment on Raya Legian Street, the most famous street in Kuta Bali. See, it is traffic jam, isn't it? Because there is the junction at the front. So if I turn right at the front, there is two ways to go to Banasari Street, and if I turn left, there is two ways to go to Mataram Street, where is the local live in this area in Kuta Bali. And also I already make video on Mataram Street. The local live in this area, just the back street from Raya Legian Street. So you can find the video down this video. And also I already update the situation at the moment on Banasari Street, also the famous street in between Raya Legian Street and Pantai Kuta Street. So you can find the video down this video also. Yeah, there is some tourist walk around on the sidewalk right side. That's just really good, isn't it? It is quite busy now in Kuta Bali. Right side, Warung Mina. My viewers, his name is Mark from Australia. They play the music down there. Okay guys, now we reach the central of Raya Legian Street, where is the ground zero in this area. This area we call ground zero because it was 2002. There is a booming in this area. So there is have monument. On left side, VIP nightclub was closed. I think they closed permanent. Right side there was a restaurant, and if I turn right there is two ways to go to Poppies Land 2. And also I already update the situation at the moment on Poppies Land 2, so you can find the video down this video. Yeah, in this area I was busy during the night time because it is central Raya Legian Street. There is some nightclub and they are still open until now, like Engine Room, Paddy's Pub, Bounty Club, Lexi, and else. But Sky Garden still closed. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Raya Legian Street. So what do you think? Yeah, it is getting busier, isn't it? That's just really good. We see together there is so many tourists walk around on the sidewalk today. on Raya Legian Street, and also there is a lot of tourists doing shopping and also in the restaurant for having lunch. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they want to know the update station in Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali travel vlog. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.